Hi, I'm Yvan Fayolet. I manage the design department of Dufournier Industries. I will present you our rolling resistance machine, RRM, and by the way, all of our rolling machine product range. This machine is composed firstly of a metallic frame and a soft steel drum. Then there is the measurement station for C1 and C2 tires. This RRM is designed for rolling resistance measurement according to regulation 117, but we can also perform tests at customer-specific conditions regarding vertical load, test speed, and tire inflation pressure. Dufournier Testing is an accredited laboratory, ISO 17025, for this measurement. We use the force method, which allows us to several measurement stations at the same time, but we have also designed a rolling resistance machine using torque method. This machine is designed for C1 and C2 tire with the following characteristic: vertical load up to 15,000 Newton and tire diameter from 400 mm to 900 mm. We have also developed testing station for C3 tires. Our rolling machine product range includes, for example, low speed machine, but we can also develop all machines according to the customer specification. The main advantages are firstly the measurement accuracy and repeatability thanks to high quality sensors and actuators. Then it is the reliability and the robustness, allowing very low maintenance cost and low maintenance interruption. And finally, the metrological knowledge and skill that we have, which allow us to calibrate the machine and help our customer who wants to be accredited laboratory. All these points are possible thanks to the knowledge we earn in designing, using, and performing maintenance and calibration of our own rolling machines.